Hi students, welcome to Math Workshop. Before we start the class, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for regular updates. So let's move on to our first class.
First, in my channel, I am going to teach mathematics for CBSE class 12 students. CBSE Maths contains two parts. So, today we will start chapter 1 of part 1, relations and functions. So, you already studied this topic in class 11. So, we just refresh the concepts today. So, in introduction, we are going to see these four topics in this video, that is basic concepts related to relations, what is relation, basic representation of relation, and examples. Okay, in the end of the video you will get a clear understanding of these four topics. Okay, so let's move on to first subtopic, that is basic concepts related to relations. First, what is mean by set? So, set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects or elements. So, basically, set is means a collection of elements. The elements mean it may be anything. For example, this is a set. This set contains an colors red, blue, green. So, this is one type of set. Next set, this set consists of numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So set is basically a collection of any elements. Next basic concept you need to know is Cartesian product. What is mean by Cartesian product? So let us take two sets. Okay, A and B. The first set contains 1, 2, 3. Second set contains 5, 6 and 7. I am taking two sets. Okay. So now Cartesian product. What does mean by Cartesian product? Cartesian product is a set of all possible ordered pairs of set. Ordered pair means what? Pairs means two elements, right? So Cartesian product is a set of all possible ordered pairs of sets. In this first set we having three elements 1, 2 and 3, right? In second set 3 elements 5, 6 and 7. So how we get this ordered pairs? So you need to take first element from first set and pair with all elements with second set. So first element is 1. So you need to pair with all elements in B. So 1, 5, 1, 6 and 1, 7. Okay. Next you need to take second element from first set. So 2 with pair with 2, 5, 2, 6 and 2, 7. Next you need to pair 3 with all elements in B. So 3, 5, 3, 6 and 3, 7. So these elements are called Cartesian product of sets. So Cartesian product is represented by A cross B. Okay, so you having two sets in this example A and B. So the Cartesian product is represented by A cross B. So this is called a set of all possible ordered pairs. Okay, so now you understood what is mean by set and what is mean by Cartesian product. So next we move on to next topic, that is what is mean by relation. In book they gave some definition. So that is a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. So we already know what is mean by Cartesian product. So relation is nothing but is a subset of Cartesian product. So subset is nothing but a sum ordered pairs. So sum ordered pairs in the Cartesian product is called relation. So subset is nothing but there is some relationship between first element and the second element. Okay, that is called a relation. So we can understand this relation by some example. In this example, I took two sets. So first set P. Set P contains A, B and C. Set Q contains three names, Anita, Balu and Ravi. So in this example, the relation is described by X and Y. X is the first letter of name Y. x, this symbol denotes to belongs to. X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. So X and Y is nothing but the elements in the P and Q. Okay, that is clear. So the relation is what is given is X is the first letter of name Y. So to find relation, we need to find the Cartesian product because relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Okay, so P cross Q, this is Cartesian product. So how to calculate Cartesian product? We need to pair with A with all elements in Q. So A comma Anita, A comma Balu, A comma Ravi. Next B comma Anita, B comma Balu, B comma Ravi. Next C comma Anita, C comma Balu, C comma Ravi. So this is the Cartesian product. So now relation is a set that is subset of this Cartesian product. So what is given in this relation? X is the first letter of name Y. X is nothing but this P element. Y is the Q element, right? So X is the first letter of name Y. So name Y is Anita. So first letter is A. So this satisfies the relation, right? A comma Balu. So this first name of Y and X is different. So you don't need to take this pair. This also you don't need to take. B comma Anita. No. B comma Balu. So first letter of X is the first letter of name Y. So this satisfies the relation. So this not satisfied, not satisfied, not satisfied, not satisfied. So a relation is nothing but a set of A comma Anita and B comma Balu. Okay, so we took some pairs in the Cartesian product, that is relation. Relation, this set is satisfied the given relation. X is the first letter of name Y. Next subtopic is basic representation of relation. How this relation is represented? They use two methods to represent a relation. So first one is real-time examples. Second one is mathematical expression. For example, you see this example. This is a relation belongs to A comma B, that is a element that belongs to a Cartesian product of both sets A and B. A is the brother of B. So the relationship between A and B is the brother of. So this is a real-time example. In the second example, you see they gave some mathematical expression. So the relationship between X and Y is what? Y equal to X plus 1. You need to satisfy this condition for a relationship. So basically, relation can be expressed by two types. One is real-time example. Second one is mathematical example. So let us calculate how to find the relation for this example. So in this example, they gave only one set, that is A, 1, 2, 3. So we need to find the relation R from A to A. So A to A. So you need to write another A also. 1, 2, 3. So you need to find a relation between A to A that satisfy the condition X comma Y is equal to X plus 1. You need to satisfy this condition. First, we need to calculate the Cartesian product. So, A cross A equal to, Cartesian product means a set of ordered pairs. So, first one, we need to pair with all elements in this set. So, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Next, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Next, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. This is the Cartesian product. Next, we need to calculate the relation. So, relation is a set. You need to satisfy this condition. Y equal to X plus 1. X is this element. Y is this element. So, Y equal to X plus 1. So, this is X and this is Y. So, 1 comma 1. So, same. So, this condition is not satisfied. Next, 1 comma 2. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So, this element satisfy this condition y is equal to x plus 1. Next 1 comma 3, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? So it is 3. So it is not satisfied. 2 comma 1 not satisfied. 2 comma 2 not satisfied. 2 comma 3. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 1. That is 3. So 2 comma 3. So it is satisfied. So 2 comma 3 is a relation. 3 comma 1 not satisfied. 3 comma 2 not satisfied. 3 comma 3 also not satisfied. So this is the relation set that satisfied the condition y equal to x plus 1. So in this video, we studied these 4 topics. First is basic concepts related to relation, that is set and Cartesian product. Next, what is mean by relation, basic representation of relation, and we saw some examples of relation. I hope you understood these topics. I will see you in next class with another topic. Thank you, students.